Hello everybody, welcome back to yet another fresh episode of MP's Library. And today we are going on futsal. Ani futsal ka player. Okay, they are all ready. They are all set to go. And we are going to have a great time. Ladies futsal, gents futsal. Everybody is going to enjoy today.
Yes,
आजको गेममा क्लास 11 versus 12 they are playing against each other. टिम यिनीहरूले बनाइसकेका छन्. अब एकैचोटि ग्राउन्डमा भेटौँ. त्यसपछि ग्राउन्डमा एकदम घमासान 1-1 1-1. Shout out to Mr. Hurten Sherpa. Consider subscribing his channel too. Okay. We are all set. लाइनमा अब एकदम मजासँग दामी सेफ प्ले गर्नु पर्यो, फेयर प्ले गर्नु पर्यो. ओके ओके, फेयर प्ले, सेफ प्ले एभ्रीबडी. बाई बाई. दामी खेल्ने एकदम 101 प्लेयर्सहरू. ओके, राम्रो खेल्नु पर्यो है त, राम्रो खेल्नु पर्यो. विद्यार्थीहरू फुटसल खेल्नको लागि अति नै एक्साइटेड भएर अगाडि बढ्दैछन्. यता यहाँ उलाला फुटसल प्लेयरहरू हैन. हाइएस्ट स्कोरर मिस्टर अर्पण घिसिङ हिमसेल्फ. केही भन्नु छ केटा? आज के छ? आज गेममा अलि हाई स्कोर गर्न सकिन्छ. आज त सुमित पनि एकदम 101 फुटबलरको रूपमा. सुमित ल ठिक छ है, ठिक छ. ओके, गर्ल्सको टिम, बोइजको टिम, दुईटै टिमहरू मिलेर हिँड्दैछन् अगाडि. देयर हेड टु कम. यहाँ प्लेयरहरू त यता पो छुटेछ झन्नै. नेसनल प्लेयरहरूलाई झन्नै मैले छुटाएको होइन त. हामी उता ओहो गजब and it's out. गजब गुड पास. मजाको पास है ल. फुर्तेनबाट दामी पास. ओहो, युवराजको खुट्टा लामो रहेछ है ल त्यो पनि. ओहो, नाइस ड्रिबल. Oh my god, what a shot from Nikhil. But dami pass from Nikhil. Okay, there goes Vivek. Vivek ko ramro dribble. Gajab dribble from Vivek. And it goes outside. Class 11. गजब. हाम्रो सपोर्टर्सहरू एकदम रेडीमा छन् सपोर्ट गर्नको लागि. ओके, विवेक को. ओहो, नाइस ट्राई. And oh my god, what a save. So on fire. Okay, class 12 coin. Okay, dami and okay, nice one, and it goes out. Oh, nice try Arjun, but it was out. Arjun ko good try भन्नुपर्छ. Okay, Nikhil, Pujan and Akash on the ball now. Dami. Oh, no, it's not out. Oh my god, good try. Oh, and it goes out. Nikhil on the ball. Nikhil to Vivek, and Vivek to oh my god, what a block. What a shot, and it's goal. And it's goal. 12 leads with one goal. The goal scorer Vivek Tamang. Amazing goal from Vivek. And now class 12 is 1 up. 12 on the lead with 1 goal. Samyog. Oh, Samyog. Okay. So Adarsh. Okay, nice catch. Okay, good save from Pujan. Vivek and Pujan and Nikhil. Okay, again Pujan. दामी ओहो संयोग and the ball goes out. हो उनीहरूले हानेको ठिकै हो युवराज oh my god it goes outside the post nearly झन्डै एकदमै राम्रो खालको म्याच हुन गइरहेको छ राम्रो शट थियो विवेक and it touches the विवेक युवराजले बललाई अगाडि बढाउने क्रममा ड्रिबल गर्ने क्रममा and Furten gets it back from him Adarsh to Arjun on the lead Dami pass and there is some chance okay it goes for the corner 45 मा सुरु nice try but goal हुन सकेन Furten त्यहाँनेरि बलमा okay Arjun on the ball oh yeah he saves it from outside okay now it goes out class 12 leading with 1 they are on this corner Yuvraj on the ball Yuvraj ko jabardast gajab oh Adarsh makes it a try but he could not nice counter from class 12 tarai chase by Arjun and handball Pujan ko handball bhayeko cha निखिलले बललाई अगाडि बढाउने क्रममा छन् and the ball is with Akash nice tackle 11 versus 12 को यो टिम A को म्याच हुँदै रहेछ टिम A को म्याच 11 versus 12 15 minutes each को म्याच हामी खेल्दै छौं and the ball सारै इन्ट्रेस्टिङ एज एन ECA को रूपमा हामी अहिले जोरपाडी फुटसलमा छौं ओहो झन्नै त्यो निखिलले बल झन्नै छोड्ने जस्तो अवस्था आइसकेको थियो ओहो नाइस देयर संयोगको गुड ट्राई तर संयोगले उलाई प्रथम छैन पुजनबाट अब राम्रो पासको आश तर पास विफल भएको छ त्यहाँ राम्रो पास मिलेको देखिन्छ and it is well cleared there ओहो not only just cleared it was an attempt Gajab Yuvraj on the ball pass to Arjun could not catch it the ball goes in the safe hands of Som and yeah this is outside clearly out okay nice one राम्रो त्यहाँ चाहिँ कोअर्डिनेसन देखिन्छ क्लास 12 को राम्रो कोअर्डिनेसन यहाँ अगाडिपट्टि तर त्यहाँ आदर्शको इन्टरसेप्टबाट बल अगाडि बढ्न सकेन नाइस ड्रिबल फ्रम आदर्श and it okay all right oh Samyog goes there and he makes a try and it's a goal Samyog the goal scorer there comes the equalizer from Samyog the equalizer comes here from Samyog the goal scorer himself amazing Nikhil ko arko prayas त्यहाँनिर देख्दैछौ well cleared by Som class 11 and class 12 are in a tie now yeah that is how you must support your team good okay Arjun on the ball oh Furten clears it corner Samyog taking it Samyogle pass खोजिरहेको छन् Pujan on the ball and there's nobody to receive him Yuvraj gets it Samyog to Yuvraj no it is mispassed and the ball goes with Nikhil and the ball is taken by Adarsh but it is now out and Vivek there Vivek with the nice dribble Arjun catches oh nicely driven by and it goes out Akash ko त्यहाँ राम्रो खालको dribbling performance देख्न पाइयो 11 and 12 trying to get the lead and it's well blocked Som blocks it well Akash ko राम्रो Nikhil and Akash coordination को अलिकति कमी देखिएको छ and oh my god no hand छैन कुममा लागेछ Okay, and it goes out. Second half. The second half has started. Oh, nice try from Sia. बाहिर गयो बल. किपरमा छिरिङ. किपर अनुबन्धन भएका छन्. नयाँ किपर आइपुगेको छ ग्राउन्डमा. अर्को 15 मिनेट्सको गेम. सोम को राम्रो गोलकिपिङ पछि. Now Som comes there. Samyog missed it. Som and Samyog. They are searching for a goal and well blocked. Oh, okay. You fine, Victor? Okay. Out. अलिकति सम्हालिएर खेल्नु पनि देखिन्छ है, सम्हालिएर. ओके. सोमलाई राम्रो पास त्यहाँबाट. नाइस शट. पुजनको राम्रो ब्लक. Okay, class 12 trying their best to get one. Okay, 11 again. 12 there again. Nikhil Bata. Nicely blocked. Vivek. Ball is with Vivek. Vivek play. Our class 11. They are running the ball in the opponent post. Okay. Hey, Mook. Okay. Well blocked. Gets it there. Okay. Adarsa Bata agadi पुग्नु पुगेन. Adarsa in the good defend now. Nicely defended. हामी संयोगको सपोर्टमा कोही नदेखेको पाइयो. Class 12 को out. And there goes the ball. Yuvraj, Som. Nice dribble from Yuvraj, Som. Okay. There goes the interception. And the ball is with Samyog. Samyog gets it. But well saved by Samyog again. Adarsa, good defending from Adarsa there. Nikhil Furten and it. Oh my God, that was just out an inch. And class 12 gets the corner. Yuvraj with the ball. Adarsa ball catch गर्दैछन्. Nice block there. Adarsa ko good defending. Nice dribble we can see from there. Vivek on the intercept. Furten bada. Aba Furten ko Nikhil lai pass. Nikhil could not get it. I can see the frustration on his face. Ball लिन नसकेकोमा. टाइम सकिसकेको छैन केटाहरु. तिम्रो कस्तो हतार भएको छ मलाई थाहा छ. त्यही पनि एकछिन वेट गर्नुपर्छ है. Okay. Nice one. Vivek को सोमले राम्रो बल निकालेको छ त्यहाँनेर तर ल गुड इन्टरसेप्सन. दामी पास निकालेको छन्. अब त्यहाँ खुद्ने क्रममा फुर्तेनको राम्रो ड्रिबल and okay, it's out. How I missed it. Nikhil with one goal. Class 12 leads with one goal. Amazingly scored from class 12. They are on the lead now. Class 12 lead ma छन् एक गोलले. Nice. Somko राम्रो प्रयास and it goes out. Okay, now it's a corner. Corner for class 11. Som got another prayas and it goes out. Okay, Vivek. And the ball is out. Chiring there. Nikhil. Nikhil ko ramro try but the ball is still there. And they can't make it. Okay, well cleared by Adarsa, the great wall of class 11. Adarsa, ko ramro clearance त्यहाँबाट. Akash is there to give him a hand. There. Ball okay. But that was... nice save from Adarsa. Wow, what a save I could see from there. Amazingly saved. Dami. Guts up. Oh my God. Another save from Adarsa. other side. Did not know that he is such a great goalkeeper. Amazing. And it's corner. आदर्शको राम्रो राम्रो प्रयास दुईचोटिको सेभ क्लास 12 को प्रयासलाई विफल पारेका छन् आदर्श भाइले अनि अमेजिङली सेभ एन्ड इट्स इन द सेफ ह्यान्ड्स अफ आदर्श अगेन चाहिँ अब अन्तिम मिनट्समा हामी छौं अन्तिम मिनट्समा क्लास 11 दे आर ट्राइङ देयर बेस्ट टु फाइन्ड द इक्वलाइजर एन्ड देयर गोज संयोग विथ द बल नाइसली ओहो ओके क्लास 12 well blocked. Oh, Vivek! Oh my God! Adarsh is such a great goalkeeper. यानेर आदर्श गोलकीपर बस्यादेखि एउटा त्यो नेटमा बल छुन पाएको छैन. Amazing. Som trying his best. Oh! युवराज यस्तो दामी पासलाई युवराजले विफल पारेका छन्. निखिलको राम्रो ड्रिबल. अनि त्यहाँ कम्स युवराज छिरिङ. Okay. Okay, Vivek to Nikhil. Oh, because I can see Adarsha is there, nobody can score. Nice one. Akash trying his luck, but no. Yuvraj clears it. Akash gets it, and it's out. It's out. Okay, chale. ओए फल भयो अबे टाउकोमा लाग्छ नि किकले त्यसरी यहाँबाट and the game is over. The next team enters. Class 12 leads with 1 goal. They are through the finals. Class 12 through the finals. Next team B, class 12 and class 11. Get inside. 12 versus 11 को गेम सुरु भएको छ. अर्पण रमन सिटी बजे ओके अर्पण र रमनको राम्रो क्रस आरुषको राम्रो इन्टरसेप्ट ओके आई क्यान सी रमन देयर ओहो अर्पणसँगको पास अर्पण इट्स हिज फर्स्ट ट्राई एन्ड इट गोज आउट अर्पणको पहिलो ट्राई बाहिर गएको छ. This is way off the target. Robbie trying to find his team player Arush there. Robbie, Dawa. Aha! And it out. Dawa trying to find out. But okay. Aha! Dawa Jangbu, you missed it. कस्तो गजब खालको एउटा अपर्च्युनिटी थियो क्लास 12 को विरुद्ध अगेन्स्टमा स्कोर गर्ने. We have seen Saurabh play nice balls a year back. अहिले दावा जाङमुको दावा छिरिङ trying his best. Ravi collects it. Arush there. Arush to Dawa Tamang to Arush. Oh, that was a skill play. No, it's out. Oh, Tiwari bhai ko nice ball. And Keshav scores the first goal of the match. Class 11 are 1 up. Class 11 leads with 1 goal. Nice goal from Keshav. Amazing score. He tries his luck from there. Oh, no. And it's a goal after that. Class 11 and class 12 draw now 1 up. It did not take enough time to come for the equalizer. यहाँबाट अर्को प्रयास. Oh, nice try there. Okay, all right. Nice one. Put in Raman again. And well collected by Robbie. Robbie throws it to Dawa. Dawa has a chance and it goes outside. यता राम्रो ड्रिबलमा छ अर्पणको राम्रो प्रयास and उतापट्टि एउटा दावा जाङमु on the run. Raman again. अर्पणको nicely placed. Keshav intercepts it and it goes outside. अलिकति अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङमा खेल्नुपर्छ है आफू आफै. दावाको दामी 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 ओरे बल दावा चाङमु क्लियर्स इट. केशव on the ball. केशवको नाइस ट्याकल and it's out. आफ्नो अब तिम्रो दावाको राम्रो प्रयास. केशवको there comes the second goal. The second scorer. Keshav Tiwari scores the second goal of the match and Class 11 are still up with 1 goal. Leading with 1 goal, Class 11. राम्रो playmaking हामीले त्यहाँ देख्यौं. Good job. Okay. Raman on his try. Raman finds it and it's corner. Okay. Dawa on the run. Okay, that was out. Class 12's throw. Okay. And the ball goes there. Robbie to collect the ball. Robbie to Dawa. Dawa on the dribble. Oh, it was touch out. Class 11 le throw गर्दैछ. Nicely placed there. Arus gives to Dawa. Dawa on the run. Nicely tried, but it is in the safe hands of Saurabh. And it is tossed. Class 11 go out. Oh, Robbie collects it. Okay. Robbie. Dawa again. With the case of the scorer. Scorer gets it. Wow, what a save from Saurabh. And Raman tries his luck. And there is nobody. Oh, that's a great fall. Penalty. And well saved. And it's a goal. It's a goal from Raman. Raman comes with the equalizer. Class 11 and 12 are draw again, 2-2 each. 11 and 12, 2 each. And there goes the scorer who found the equalizer for Class 12. And the ball is on the run now. Dawa trying his luck. Well saved. Goes there. And it is out. Oh, Arpan there. Oh, ball is still on. And Dawa tries to find it. Arpan with the ball. Oh. Raman there. Arpan again. Nice try. Good job. Okay, the scorer runs again. And it is out. Keshav with Dawa. Dawa is free. Nice tackle. Dami Arunle राम्रो पास. Arunko खुट्टामा ball अनि यो ball. Okay. Dawa with the ball. And goes to Dawa. Oh my God. Well saved. Dawa with the clearance. Arun again. एकदमै घमासान पर्दैछ. दावाले बललाई रोक्न सकेन. Ball now with Arpan. Arpan trying his best to find out. Oh, now it is out. Trying there. And it's a goal. Oh my God, what I saw. It was just a goal. So simple. The goalkeeper could not catch it. And Class 12 leads with 1 goal. Class 12 makes it 3-2. Okay, it's out. Arpan with the ball. Arpan again. Still Arpan. And still Arpan. 3 goes down. Still Arpan. And now he loses to Dawa. Keshav with the run. Dawa in the support. Keshav with the run. Keshav. Dava Jangbu missed it. Arpan with the ball. Arpan ko ramro try, and it is snatched by Arun. Arun to Dava. Dava waiting in the last corner, and it is well blocked by Saurabh. Trying the best. Pushing, pulling la alikati kam garnu pani देखिन्छ, and it's out. Nice goal again. Oh my God, he tried his best. He tried his best to save, but it was well scored by Arpan. Arpan makes it 4-2. 4-2, okay. All right. Come on, class 11, you can still do it. Okay, now it's out. With the skill. Still on. Bistar. Dava with the ball. Dava is still, and it goes out. The second half has started. Dava on the ball. Nicely tried and goes out. Dava to Kesab. In the hands of class 12 now. Class 11, class 12. Class 12 again. Nice from Arun to Dava, and Dava. Oh, and it's a corner. Oh, nice cleared by the goalkeeper himself. Amazing, Saurabh. Nice tackle. 11. Oh, nice stop by Dava. Dava tries it. Ekdam त्यहाँ किचलो देखियो. Kesab with the ball. And he tries and makes it a goal. Kesab makes it 3-4. Kesab finds the net finally. And now class 11 and 12, 4 up. Class 12 still leading with 1 goal. And he finds the net. Amazing score. The hat-trick scorer. Dava with the ball. Kesab there with the pass. And Kesab could not make it. अझै पनि कर्नरबाट चान्स लिने सम्भावना अझै बाँकी छ. यहाँ सपोर्टरहरू टिकटक बनाएर बसिरहेका छन्. Okay, Arun to Kesab. Kesab could not get it. Raman dribbles it way through. Arpan waiting there. Still a very selfish play from Raman. Kesab, the hat-trick holder. Oh yeah, still on. Dava! Oh my God, what a good try, but that ball could not find the net. Dava on a very good try, Dava Jangbu. Arpan again. Arpan there. Arpan, still Arpan. And Arpan tries it, corner for class 12. Arpan finds it. Raman on the run from the other side. Arun. Dava, good dribble. And Arun tries his luck. That was a good try. Good pass from Dava. Good try from Arun. But it was way off the net. Ramro Isara. Arpanle Isara nabujeko jasto देखिन्छ. Arpan on the run. And there is a good dribble. Oh, what a good try. But that could not find the net. Defended by Kesab. Raman. Oh my God. We could see a great skill. Dava there. Raman trying to find the support. Oh no, gacha alikati. Kesab. Intercept by Raman. Raman. Arpan waiting in the next corner. Okay. Dawa to Dawa. And Dawa. Oh! Good try. Good save from Saurabh. And Saurabh. And it goes inside. Oh my God. Finally, class 11 come with the equalizer. 4-4. And finally, they come with the equalizer. 4-4. Now this takes a very interesting mood. The game takes a very interesting mood. Okay, Dawa again. Dawa with the... Oh, Dawa Jangbo! Dawa Jangbo could not control the ball. 2 minutes to take the glory. Arpan there. Saurabh. Arpan. And Arpan with the dribble. Arpan again. Nice one. Arpan and Dawa. Dawa goes through. And class 11's. Keshav with a good run now. Okay. Oh, त्यहाँ डर लाग्दो अवस्था आउन सक्छ गोलकिपर यता छन् ओहो नाइस सेभ ओह गोलकिपर आफ्नो कोर्ट छोडेर गयो दैट वाज वेल सेभ्ड वेल हेडेड बाय रमनले गोल खानाबाट आफ्नो टिमलाई जोगाएका छन् Arpan and Raman, they are trying to coordinate. Robin, Dawa on the net. Oh, Dawale could not find the net. The ball goes there. Yes, Arpan. 1-1. Oh, nice Dawa again. In the safe hands of Saurabh. Dawa again. Robin. And Dawa Jangbo waiting there. Oh, could have passed there. Dawa Jangmule Dawaलाई pass गरेको थियो नि राम्रो अपर्चुनिटी बन्न सक्थ्यो अहिले Arpan and Raman. Okay. They have to find a goal. Oh! Nice try. Nice try, Mr. Arpan, but the ball could not touch the net. Okay, Raman with the good run. Good pass! And they find the net. Finally, class 12 finds the net. Good assist. Good final shot from Arpan. Amazing. We are in the very less minutes. We are in the final minutes. And there we have. They're still trying to find out the equalizer. And it's out. Arpan. Robin. अब त्यो मिस हुन सक्छ. And there goes the ball. अलि सम्हालेर खेल्नुपर्ने देखिन्छ. Out. Okay, last out. Last out. Nice try there, nice try. We are in the last out of this match. Robin. Oh! That was lastly tried, and class 12 goes through the finals. Class 12 goes through. Nice play, everybody.